everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time seeing any of my videos, please go back and check parts 1 through 6 of this, and I still have some other videos on there as well. A couple bonus videos about this car. I got a Razor video, a Polaris Razor video in the playlists. So I've been super excited for today because today we're actually be doing the lift on this car. Of course, they don't make lift kits for Pontiac Sunfires. They never did. They never will. So we'll have to fabricate something. I got a pretty good idea how I'm going to do it. So I can't wait. I've been super excited waiting for this part of it. So let's get right to it. And we're doing the front and the rear today. And stick around till the end. I'll have a walk around with it. So stay tuned. lift plates. Got one done. You don't get to see it too close. You see my welds and my not CNC plasma one cut, crudely cut with a torch. One is done. I've had it in, tested it. Second one is partially done. Again, don't worry about the crappy torch job. So I'm going to start putting this one together, and we'll talk to you in a bit. Let's rate my welds. Not bad. You know, self-taught. There's penetration. You can see the discoloring. See? There's plenty of penetration. Is it pretty? No. But not bad. My welds have come a long ways. After all, it's just a stupid Sunfire for a gambler car. Let's put these in. The front lift is done. You see me fabricate those plates. Those are 2.5 inches of lift. Those are 1/4 inch plate steel on the top and on the bottom, and a 2-inch piece of pipe in the middle. I may have a little caster issue there I gotta take a look at. But right now I'm gonna call the front lift done. And next time we'll be doing the back. So we'll see you then. Okay, it's time to start working on the rear lift. I originally thought I would do just like I did on the front with the 2 plates. But then I got to looking and I saved these lower strut mounts off of the other axle. So they go in like this. The stud goes through the bottom, strut bolts in like this. So I'm thinking I'm going to try to figure out a way just to lift it here, so the strut will mount on up here farther, about 3 inches. Cause that's how I want to put a little more in the back than I did in the front, because it's gonna be weight, there's gonna be spare tires and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna get started on that. Strut mount I saved from the other car. Now this is going to index in here, taking basically the place of the bottom of the strut. This part will go on here, welded to this, and then it will also get welded to the original lower mount. If I don't weld it, it's going to want to chuck back and forth like that. So I'm going to weld it straight, and then the lower part of the strut will mount right here instead of here. That's 3 inches, and that'll give me a 3-inch lift in the back. So I'm going to tack it up and try it on the car. It's still warm from welding. Feel pretty good about that. Just got to do it one more time. So I'll show you guys how it turned out under here. Those shiny black parts, those are the lift blocks I made for the lower strut mounts, and they worked out awesome. And yeah, it was only about 4 hours worth of build time. So that's the stance it has there. It's up there pretty good. Okay, got the lift all done. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Like I mentioned before, I need to address the camber issue in the front. I don't think that's gonna be too big of a deal. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because there's plenty more coming. I got more fun stuff planned. Looks like I'm gonna have plenty of time to get it all done. I'm still having a good time. It's better than sitting on the couch. So I appreciate you guys sticking around with me.
for these. So if you're enjoying them, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I appreciate it if you do that, because it helps me with YouTube. And also if you click the bell, the notification button, YouTube will let you know as soon as I upload a new video. So with that, remember, if you're going to be good at breaking stuff, you better be good at fixing stuff. And now that we got the lift done, cross that off. All right, everybody, there it is with the lift all done and the bumpers all trimmed. I think we got plenty of clearance in the back. I don't know. That's plenty of clearance in the back. Looks good in the front. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments whether we keep the fangs or not. Not sure I'm a big fan of them. And they're kind of in the way for what I have planned next. So we got this side all put together. Still gonna have to throw some paint on there. Some work to do in the front with that bumper and stuff.